In the fertile plains of the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, a civilization thrived, its existence etched in the annals of history, Mesopotamia. The people of this ancient land, bound by the river gods, built a legacy that echoes through the millennia. Among their most enduring contributions were the Cuneiform tablets, a mystery that continues to baffle and enchant scholars to this day. The cuneiform tablets, with their intricate symbols etched on clay, were the first form of written communication, a beacon of civilization in an otherwise illiterate world. Scholars believe they were invented around 3200 BCE, in the city of Uruk, the heart of Sumeria, the earliest known civilization in Mesopotamia. As the civilizations of Mesopotamia rose and fell, these tablets served as a testament to their achievements, wisdom, and even their downfall. They chronicled the rise of kings, the tales of gods, and the intricate workings of an early bureaucracy. Yet, for all their significance, the cuneiform tablets remained a riddle, their meaning obscured by time and distance. The crisis came in 1851, when Henry C. Rawlinson, a British officer, uncovered a series of cuneiform inscriptions on the cliffs of Behistun in Iran. These inscriptions, commissioned by Xerxes I of Persia, were a monumental declaration of power, but they were written in 3 different scripts, and Rawlinson was determined to decipher them all. The task was monumental. The oldest script, Elamite, was almost completely unknown, and the Middle Persian and Old Persian scripts were only partially understood. Rawlinson, with unyielding determination, embarked on a journey that would span over a decade. He worked tirelessly, deciphering the inscriptions, comparing them with other cuneiform texts, and slowly, painstakingly, the secrets of the ancient script began to unravel. In 1857, Rawlinson presented his findings to the Royal Asiatic Society. The world was astounded. The Behistun inscription, a relic of a bygone era, had been deciphered, and with it, a window into the past was opened. The cuneiform tablets, once a mystery, were now a key to understanding the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia. The discovery of the cuneiform tablets and the decipherment of the Behistun inscription marked a turning point in the study of history. They offered a glimpse into a world long forgotten, a world of gods, kings, and bureaucracy. The cuneiform tablets, once a riddle, had become a bridge, connecting us to the past and shedding light on the roots of our civilization. Today, the cuneiform tablets continue to fascinate and inspire. They stand as a testament to the human spirit's insatiable quest for knowledge, a testament to our ability to decipher the mysteries of the past and unlock the secrets of our history. The cuneiform tablets, etched in clay, continue to whisper the tales of ancient Mesopotamia, a voice that echoes across the millennia, a voice that will continue to be heard as long as history is studied.